Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How fast can you manipulate these algebral equations? We are giving the value to a plus 1 over a, but we need a cube plus 1 over a cube. What do you get? You can pause this video, give it a try, and drop the answer in the comment box. Let's see how we solve this problem step by step. For the first one, which is a plus 1 divided by a equals 3. First is, we are going to take the square of both sides. By taking the square of both sides, here we have a plus 1 over a raised to the power of 2 equals 3 squared. And 3 squared here gives us 9. Let's expand this out. By expanding this out, we have x squared plus 2 plus 1 divided by x squared equals 9. Then, taking 2 to other side, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 7. Let's try to start this. And again, we need a cube plus 1 over a cube. If I multiply these two together, from a plus 1 over a, if I place it beside a squared plus 1 over a squared, so the result of this will give us, let's multiply this together first. So by multiplying this together, we have a multiplied by a squared. This gives us a cube plus a multiplied by 1 over a squared. That gives us 1 divided by a plus 1 over a multiplied by a squared. So we are going to have to multiply these two together as well, and this gives us a. Then we have plus 1 over a multiplied by 1 over a. That gives us 1 over a cubed. And we need a cubed plus 1 over a cubed. So by bringing this together, we have, so let's try to bring this together. We have a cubed plus 1 over a cubed, and also we have a plus 1 divided by a. So this is what we get after expanding this, but we cannot stop here. So since we have gotten what we need, which is a cubed plus 1 over a cubed, but this one has a value. The value of it is 3. Therefore, we have a cubed plus 1 over a cubed, then plus 3. This is what we have. So the next step we are going to take is, so we need from the left hand side, where we have, before we can get this, we multiply a plus 1 divided by a. So we multiply it together with a squared plus 1 over a squared. And the result gives us a cubed plus 1 over a cubed plus 3. Then we recall again that for every a plus 1 over a, we have it as 3. Then multiply by a squared plus 1 over a squared. So what we got for this is 7. Then everything equals a cubed plus 1 over a cubed plus 3. By making a cubed plus 1 over a cubed the subject of the formula, we have a cubed plus 1 over a cubed equals 3 multiplied by 7. That gives us 21. And since this one is coming here, we have it as negative. Therefore, the final result to this is a cubed plus 1 over a cubed equals 18. This is just as simple as it is. How do you solve your own? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. Is this method the same as how you did it, or is it's quite different from how I did it? So you can always drop the answer in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting math content. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.